back to the channel. Today's something a little bit different. Talking about my 2024 4XE Jeep. I'm going to do an install today from Bulletpoint on a mounting system for my iPhone. It's also a way I can charge my phone at the same time as it's mounted. I'll show you my setup I have right now in the Jeep, and then we'll bust out all the goodies that came from Bulletpoint and we'll get an install going. But if you're new to this channel, or you just stopped by, or you're a camera guy, hey, I got both covered. DJI Pocket 3 is running the whole show. So I got the mic on, it's tracking me right now, so I can go around the Jeep. It'll follow me around, that kind of thing. So really cool camera to use for car stuff like this. Sun's starting to go down, so we'll look at a little bit of the low light as we get into this. But first things first, let's go ahead and see what's in the box from Bulletpoint. I ordered two things. I ordered the electric mount, that way it'll charge the phone. I ordered the GoPro mount. So the first thing they got, when you open it up, they treat you with a sticker. So that's cool. This is the arm bracket that will extend out from the base. So we'll put that together here in a sec. We have here the mount itself. So good logo Bulletpoint on the front, pretty heavy. Put your USB-C in the back of it. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to the adjustable. Got the cord inside here. So we got the arm, we have the base. Let's look for the mount. So here's one of the mounting plates. Now in the 4XE Jeep, and even some of the newer Jeeps, we can screw this directly in to the top layer of the dashboard. Here is the GoPro mount. So when I ordered it, it came with a free mug. So I chose white. So like a Yeti style mug. That's sweet. Thanks, Bulletpoint. Also comes with two of these little tools. I'm not sure how that works yet, but we'll find out. Also, this was a freebie they threw in. It's not live, no live rounds. Bottle opener, you see that? So let's take all the stuff inside the Jeep, get prepped up, get ready, and let's install this thing. All right, so this is my old system here. It's just a OTAO. It's an off-brand I got from Amazon a while back. It's pretty secure. Got a plugs into here. So same kind of concept. I just want to clean this up and allow me to mount it right in here. I'm gonna use my iPhone 15 Pro to give you a better shot of this angle here. We'll kind of move some of this out of the way. So you want to remove this little rubber mat here, and that will expose the holes you're going to use to get into and to mount your bracket. So this is the bracket here, and we'll go ahead and unwrap. So there's some nuts on the bottom here that we'll remove and place this in. You're going to need a small screwdriver. So I'm going to leave the washers on the bottom and just take the nuts off. I know they're all going to fall off as soon as I flip it upside down. Yeah, they're all going to fall out. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So it's good to have a very small screwdriver, but pretty much plug and play. Just get them into the right spots and screw them down. Not that complicated. This would be a lot more of a cleaner look in the car than having it just suction cup to the window. All right, next step. So this is just the mounting system here. It's a very small little piece, maybe 1.5 inches long. And then it's got the two sides here where it's gonna grab the ball. You pretty much just unscrew this piece here. That way you can slide in the mount and basically just build your mount. Yeah, the best way to do it is just to take it apart completely. You'll never get it just wide enough to get that piece in. All right, probably keep them loose and attach it to the head. See, so the ball on the back, and you just put it in here. So online, this piece looks longer than it really is. It's pretty short. So I like it better because it's not really in the way. All right. Yeah, that's nice. Probably lower it a little bit. So the cable it comes with is a USB-C, a USB-A. So I'm going to use, I have a cigarette light here with a USB-A. I could use the media section that's on the Jeep right here, and we'll make it neat later, but I just want to show you that it's going to work. Cables, I guess about what, 2 feet long? So let's turn the Jeep on. So this is the iPhone fine woven. If you watch my channel, I'm doing a long-term review on this. So far, so good. I really like the texture in the back. I didn't think I would like this thing. All right, let's see if it charges. Fits good. I may need to lower it down. Got a blue light on the side, and it's charging. Just to show you there. See the green? Yeah, that is clean looking. I mean, look at that. I like that. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up cord wise, and then I'm going to install the GoPro mount over here. Now this might be something I might not do all the time because it might be a little kind of in your viewing area here, but if I go on an adventure, I have the ball mount ready to go, and then I can just throw on the GoPro mount. So let's not waste your time, and I'll fast forward to what this looks like mounted up. So one thing I did fail to mention is that these are all metal. Everything I've been using so far from their product has all been metal. It's carbon fiber right here on the tube, but everything is metal. There's no plastic in any of this stuff. So this should last as long as the Jeep will last, probably, or longer, because who knows how long this 4xe Jeep's gonna really last, right? The DJI Pocket 3 has had a lot of reviews out there. So much so, I'm be like, do I even do a review? I mean, what's the point? There's so many reviews out there. So I decided to kind of wait and really use the camera for stuff like this and see how it works out. I mean, this seems very easy. I got it on a tripod over there, and it's just a faster setup, man. If I try to do this with the ZVE1, it would just be a little more cumbersome trying to get it all set up, and it just makes life easier. Now, video quality, I'm going to do a review on the ZVE1 versus the Pocket 3. I mean, we know who's going to win, or it better win, right? For image quality, how much image quality am I really looking for versus ease of use? And that will be like, what am I doing it for? Is it for weddings? Is it for professional work where I'm getting paid for the high quality stuff that I can do? If you're not, and you're just doing it for family stuff or like stuff like this, then so GoPro mount, you'll see it's all metal too. Even the screw up top is metal. GoPro stuff is all plastic, and this is metal, so that's really cool. Good job, Bulletpoint. I'm proud of you. Didn't cheap out on us. All right, see how far I can unscrew this thing to get it on. All right, didn't have to take it all apart. So we're gonna throw on the GoPro Hero 12, and I will use the metal one it came with. Here's the GoPro, just to show you. I'll put the max lens mod on. I do like this camera too, to show you the setup. So the media mod's a little bit bigger than the standard just GoPro, so just kind of bend it back toward you and feed it in there and keep screwing until it gets tight. And then there you go. Now, this is all personal preference. It's kind of like in my line of sight right here. I could always put it over there. Depends on what you're doing for the day. You can spin it around and film yourself, but this gives you a nice, good option to mount your GoPro. It's a little, there you go. It's a little dark, but that's kind of what it looks like. It's all right. Lean more to the left. It's fine. But yeah, if you're off-roading, you're not gonna really care. I did change the location of the phone holder. I put it right in front of the steering wheel, and I moved the GoPro mount over to the right-hand side just to kind of get it out of the way. And it's easier to access the phone from this side over here, if you can tell what it looks like right there. But the coolest thing, I found two features on. Let me put this down. Hold on. See at the bottom where it says that little piece will drop down. It drops down to allow to add your phone to go a little bit lower, so that goes up and down. And it being motorized, those side holders will expand in and out automatically. So let's show you how that works. So see this button right here on the side? You push that and the little thing's open. Let me do that again. But push again, it'll close. So normally when you get in the car, it'll be open and you just put your phone in and it automatically will close. And when you get done, this is why when I stop the car, I will reach under here and just the opposite. Push it, open up, take my phone out. Come back in the car, put the phone in, and it will basically grab it automatically. So let's see if I can do that right now. So when I come up to the car, I would be open like that, and I just put my phone in, and it grabs it and holds it. And then when I'm done, I just reach under here, push the button when I park, take the phone out. Whammo, bammo, and then back in. That is cool. Also, just to show you, you can rotate it. It's just a matter of dealing with the cord, your maps. So you had the maps up and you wanted to look at it that way, you can do that kind of thing. Or you can go back and just do this. So that's pretty much an easy back and forth. So yeah, I'm very happy with the setup. It is so solid feeling. Being mounted like that to the car, it just feels solid. And I, for so long, have had mounts where you suction cup in and it falls off, or you put it in the vent and it just kind of moves around and it falls off. I mean, for a Jeep, they'll allow you or to come up with a way to basically screw your stuff right in to the dash. Any bumps, all that kind of stuff, not a problem. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna go watch my daughter play soccer on the field out there.